This stuff can last for a year. Yeah, see? 2032.
2032 is crazy.
What up? This is Anderson Smith.
This is Johnny Park.
We are at the Tasty Studio, ranking popular Korean snacks.
This is Battle Bites Korean Snack Edition.
First up, shrimp crackers. These look familiar.
A classic.
This is great.
The Flamin' Hot Cheetos of Korea.
Korea, you guys really know how to do seafood chips.
Do you like these honestly though?
I do.
You do like it?
I do.
A lot of Western taste palates are not used to just tasting shrimp all of a sudden, but you don't mind it.
It's not too salty, that's what I like.
They don't go too sweet, they don't go too salty,
Great.
which is nice. I'm gonna say this is probably gonna land somewhere in the top 3, so I'm gonna say 3.
Yeah?
Right, what do you think?
I'll put it number 5.
5?
Yeah.
Oh wait, we gotta do it together, right? Yeah. We have to decide. You want to meet at 4?
All right, 4.
Let's meet at 4, yeah.
Another seafood classic.
Yeah.
Cuttlefish.
I couldn't tell you what cuttlefish looks like.
I could tell you. Looks like this, buddy. Just 2 guys cuddling.
2 cuttlefishes.
Go ahead, you open this.
All right, here we go. Okay, cool. Ooh.
Come on, Wa.
So I think this is a little less fishy. I like it.
What is this shape supposed to be?
The cuttlefish.
This is supposed to be a fish? This is actually great. It's like buttery light.
Yeah, it's good. I'm gonna rank it higher. I wanna say like 3.
Yeah, probably top 3. I like these.
Okay.
Here it comes. Ew, what? I didn't think you were gonna do it. Wow. Ryan, you guys really did it with this. Peanut balls. Huh?
No, ojingo means octopus.
Oh, nice.
Koreans was like, let's put peanuts in octopus chips. What? Like,
Outstanding. This is one of my favorites. This is definitely like, this might be number 1 for me. I love these ones.
I feel like the thought process was like kind of bar foods where when you're drinking, it's like the calamari and then there's peanuts, so they're like, let's put it together.
I'm gonna say this is 1 for me.
All right, let's put it on 1 for right now.
One of my
We'll put
favorites.
that at 1. Banana milk. This, you know, the thing about this that worries me, I'll go to H Mart and I'll just see this like sitting out, like not refrigerated. And I'm
Yep.
like, is that okay? Like,
Perfectly fine. This stuff can last for a year. Yeah, see? 2032. It's Best Buy.
2032 is crazy.
This is delicious.
I do like it.
Yeah, this is great. My kids love this. Soul is like,
Yeah.
I used to steal these from out the fridge. That's great.
I like that. We gotta rank that beverage amongst.
That's number 2.
Okay.
Honey butter chip. It's an influencer.
ASMR.
Yeah.
All right.
Why am I nervous?
Why do they do this thing where they show the thing and then they usually like put their hand behind it? Is that?
Oh yeah. You want to see it.
Oh, it helps with the
Yeah.
focus.
No, I'm a
Okay.
director. I know. Yeah. Look at that. First bite.
All right. Honey butter chips.
That's insane.
I don't love it.
Really?
When I get like a potato chip, I want salty. You know, I don't really
It is
want
a little
the
sweet.
I don't want the sweet. Koreans definitely tend to lean more on the sweet side of things with chips. With even pizza, with foods that are supposed to be more savory, they lean more on the sweet. I don't know if I love that.
Mashisaw. This is great to me.
I'm gonna put it at like 6.
Wow. Well,
We can't put it at 2.
go ahead. 6. The pantry is full with all of these.
Yeah.
You know, it's just stacks.
Is this the same turtle, Mr. Franklin?
Yeah, yeah.
That's the same guy?
That's him. That's Franklin.
He's crying.
You know him. Yeah.
Oh, he's
It's
crying.
been tough. He's been doing this for years. Think it's easy? The things he's seen
No.
in these factories.
Slow and steady doesn't
Yeah.
always win the race.
He does it. 4-layered, super crispy structure. It's science, guys. This is
I will say there's something about when you have the double or the triple fourth fold and you get that extra crunch, it does hit harder.
but it's so light. We're gonna bump the turtles up to number 4 for all his troubles.
Dude is crying.
Teardrop. And a teardrop usually means they're gangsters.
You got
the tattoo tear.
He's seen some shit.
That man's got some bodies under his shell.
Yo, he's been wearing the same top hat and bow tie since the 1930s, bro.
I'll wear a meat pep, bro. I'm down to be on the
That'd
cover.
be
We should
sick.
be on there.
You might end up becoming like the first
Blasian?
Blasian on Pepero. It's a little like whatever to me. I've always thought this
Right.
was a little whatever. It's easy to snack on, but it's not so delicious.
Yeah, like, you know, it's like a one and done thing.
Yeah.
I like it though. It's just,
I put
I need
it
more.
7 or something like that. You want to do that? 8? Okay, further down.
I mean, if they put me on the cover, they're 1. Obviously, but yeah, number 1 in Korea. So let's
change that.
get that going.
Let's change that.
ASAP.
Home run ball.
Ball.
This is a chocolate-covered wafer, kind of.
Whoa.
It doesn't do it for me, really.
Really?
I feel like the wafer is just like whatever.
Number 10.
Yeah, let's put it at 10. They look so good, but I don't think it aged well as far as taste. Like it's
Like
not.
Little Debbie's or something.
Oh yeah,
Remind me of that,
yeah,
but
similar.
Not
yeah.
as like. Debbie.
Just like marshmallow in the middle.
It's not bad actually.
It's not, but I wouldn't
Better
put it
than
in the
what I
top 5 at all. I think this fits right at.
This is going at
7.
number 11. Oh,
It's 7.
7-Eleven.
This is a throwback. Do you know about these?
No, I'm a Gen Z. But maybe you know, in your day, was this what you guys used to eat during the Great Depression?
1967.
Yeah.
1967.
This is all you guys had in the Great Depression,
Yeah.
right?
This is like an old school joint. Like your grandma will give you this. And I think this is kind of like a Lunar New Year thing. I don't know. I forget. Maybe.
Matzo.
You like it?
I do. It's like a donut.
This is like equivalent to when you get that little butterscotch candy from your grandma. But you get this. This is the Asian version of it. Korean honey pastry.
Yakwa.
What after you?
I like that.
Every time
I don't know. That's how
every
I feel
time
like,
he yells
did I get
Korean, he yells.
Yakwa. See that?
There's no sauce.
Yeah. Proper pronunciation of that. Korean honey pastry. I love that.
You can speak Korean softly
J on
too,
food.
right? Every word he says in
J1.
Korean is aggressive as hell. Let's switch grandma's cookies to number 2. That's a staple in the Korean community.
Banana milk is gonna drop to
We'll
number
get
5.
the elderly vote.
Thank you guys so much for watching. That about does it. Don't forget, K-Pops is coming exclusively to AMC Theater near you, February 27th.
Go watch it
Go watch
nationwide.
it. Bring the whole family. Bring all these nice treats with you, hopefully. Don't get kicked out.
Hide it.
Yeah,
Hide it.
hide it. Yeah.